I think the reason that it's so common for people to do, say, overhand weave to underhand weave and then up to the pinwheel rather than overhand weave directly up to the pinwheel is because when these moves are learned by most people and then it's perpetuated on video, and we don't have a lot of structure out there because we don't have a lot of teachers out there distinguishing this stuff, I think what happens is people do the easy one and they don't think, oh, well, I can go both ways. What do I do? How do I do it? I'm a fan of figuring out how to do it both ways because it gives you the most amount of flexibility. And for me, what was useful about it is if I know how to do something in a direction that's uncomfortable, when I invariably fuck up, because let's face it, mistakes happen. If you hit yourself, you catch your hair, whatever, you can fall back into the flow more easily because you know the technique both ways, whether or not it's the intuitive way, which I think is this way because you're following the flow, right? Or this way, which is less intuitive, I think, for most people.